There was a man with tired eyes, walking factory floors at night. He said this company can do better if we only get it right. Paper forms and whisper blame, steps no one could quite explain. So he said, let's digitize it, we'll remove the friction and the pain. He believed in screens and systems, in structured, cleaner flow. He thought that once it all was digital, the truth would finally show. But progress hides in strange disguise. What we speed up, we also hide. And sometimes when the paper's gone, the chaos learns to run inside. Whoa.
Disappeared, but somehow things were breaking more and no one knew what steered. He asked, how does the process run? Each answer told a different tale. Versions shaped by memory, excuses polished pale.
What really happens, he would ask. Silence filled the room. The work was now invisible. Confusion learned to bloom. The errors still were happening. The delays were just as real. But now the mess was digital. You couldn't see the wheel.
You can't improve what you can't see. You can't fix what you can't prove. And truth dissolves in storytelling when perception makes the rules.
Far away in the Netherlands, a quiet mind was tracing lines. A man obsessed with honesty in systems, flows and signs. He asked a simple question: if every act leaves a trace, why don't we follow footprints instead of trusting face? Every order, every shipment, every invoice paid on time leaves behind a digital whisper buried in design. So he began to dig through data, mountains high and wide, days and nights of silent work with algorithms as his guide. And from the noise a pattern rose, from fragments came a whole. He gave it one clear, daring name: process mining was the goal. Dig the truth from what we do, not from what we say. Follow the trail of every step, let the data show the way. Oh. First just few believed it, a handful saw the light. But slowly tools were born that made the hidden visible in sight. The man from long ago now saw his company clear. Not opinion, not assumption, but reality laid bare. Here the loop, there the weight, here the cost of small mistakes. Process mining crossed the world and change what business takes. Hundreds turned to thousands, industries aligned. For the first time, organizations could truly see their spine. But the professor wasn't finished. He knew one truth remained: a company's not one process, it's a web that's intertwined. Orders meet with payments, customers need to twine. Objects live in many flows that cross and multiply. So we widen the horizon, let relationships define it. Object-centric was the name, business mining sat behind it. End-to-end
transparency, variance revealed, not pieces of a puzzle, but the entire field.
And then the machines grew restless, artificial minds arose. Promises of miracles, of value no one knows. They spoke with fluent brilliance, they answered fast and wide. But something felt uncertain behind the polished pride. Because intelligence without context is confidence unbound. It guesses in the darkness where no structure can be found. And once again the answer was hidden in plain sight. process, let it learn from what is right.
Process mining had evolved, now process intelligence the frame. What brought truth to human eyes did the same for AI's brain. And all because one man refused to trust the tale. He wanted to see reality where narratives would fail.
From footprints in the data to systems that can learn from hidden flows in darkness,
To insight that can turn
into value, into progress, into work that finally works, saving billions quietly where inefficiency once lurks. This is not a fairy story, it's happening every day. Processes that truly run in a clearer, better way.
And when processes work, everything works too. People thrive, value is created, and Monday sucks less for you.